a live cicada. I opened the front door, go walking, and he jumped down right on me and bzzz. Check him out. Don't see him alive that often. He's probably on his way out. Done his business already. Ava, that's a bug right there, sweetie. You better watch out. Oh! She booted him. We'll leave him, let him do his thing. Whew, got beat up last night. Nice storm. Look at all the leaves everywhere, branches. Whew. Some real boom booms. Whew. Man, we gotta check and make sure baby Sage is okay. There's the baby Sage. She goes, I'm a Walker County Strip pit bull. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? That's nothing. We're born and raised in that stuff.